Hey, here's a song about my code. Fuck you. Call it for release. Cool, now that that song's stuck in your head, let's talk the physics, project, coding, America. So, in the last video, you saw that towards the end, I made some changes to my code, and now it works way worse than it did before. And the way I think I'm gonna go about solving this now is just almost completely rewriting the code. I think I need to do that. It's not a long code, it's only like maybe 150 lines of code, so it shouldn't take too long. I don't think, I'm not convinced that it is a fundamental misunderstanding of how to implement the method, because it works for other differential equations that I've solved. So there's something peculiar going on that I'm not sure if it's either A, the values that I'm given, so certain constants that I can assume for the for different parts of the Schrodinger equation, whether that be like the wave number or the angular momentum that I'm using. I don't know. I might play around with different values until I get the stuff that I think I need. I'm not even going to the gym, I just like to drink pre-workout right before bed. But yeah, the more I think about it, the more I think rewriting the code from scratch is something I need to do, because I put the code together bit by bit as I was learning Numerov method. So I wouldn't be surprised if there's just a little multiplying by 1 over 12 or dividing by 1 over 12 somewhere. For those of you that don't know, Numerov has a lot of 1 over 12s in it. See? So I think I'm just going to rewrite it from scratch without looking at the code that I am using, and then run it and then see if I get the same results. And what I should do is just test one more stupid differential equation and see if I get something that looks like the answer. And by the way, how I know that I'm getting the answers for the other code is, 1, I'm solving them by hand, so I'm doing ones that have analytic solutions. 2, I'm solving it in Mathematica, so because they have like a really nice differential equation solver. 3, I'm solving it with my code, and all of them are agreeing with each other. So I don't know what's going wrong. Also, I have this really oddly satisfying stapler that I want to show you. It's like my stress ball. Time to go get the gym knocked out and then undivided attention towards solving this code problem. Now that I'm back from the gym, I decided, instead of just rewriting the code from scratch, what I'm going to do is write out step by step on a sheet of paper what each step of the code is doing, and see if anything there is just wrong. I think that's about enough for today for the coding stuff. Still the same problem, still not giving me the result that I want, but I got some work done with it. I automated it for finding the wave function for any angular momenta, so it asks you to input L equals 0, 1, or 2, and then it carries out the calculations for those ones. So that's good, that's one step. That's something I would have had to do even if it was working. So, you know, it's not a total loss. I should probably just email my professor to make sure that the constants that he gave me are the right constants, because, again, I'm not entirely convinced that my code is doing the wrong thing. I think it just might have the wrong information. But I'm probably going to call it for the video here, because I have to go feed my friend's pets because they're out of town. So, see ya.